Welcome to the best picks. The Best Spy Ninja Stun Chucks is probably one of the most exciting and challenging martial arts tools to master, offering a unique blend of skill, precision, and self-defense techniques. Today, we will delve into a comprehensive review of these fascinating weapons, exploring their design, functionality, and overall effectiveness for both beginners and experienced practitioners, helping you decide if these are the right training tools for you. Number 5. Spy Ninjas Zorgo Kit. Embark on a thrilling mission to infiltrate Project Zorgo. It's time to become a spy ninja. Disguise yourself with the included Project Zorgo mask and voice morpher. No one will recognize you. This kit has everything you need to look and sound like a true Project Zorgo hacker. Get ready to go undercover. You'll receive a decoder wheel, activity books, and more to help you complete your mission. Everything is included for a successful infiltration. Use your spy skills and the tools provided to gather evidence and uncover Project Zorgo's secrets. Success awaits. Prove your identity as a Project Zorgo member with the included ID card and certificate. Become a true insider. What we like. It has everything you need to fully transform into a hacker. This kit is perfect if you're planning an elaborate spy ninja's adventure and want to immerse yourself in the role. If you love creative play and detailed role-playing, this is the one for you. What people say. This little spy kit was cute, fun little games for the kids, and everything listed was included. It came with all things listed. It has been very entertaining for him as he watches the videos to solve mysteries. Number 4. Spy Ninjas Project Zorgo Voice Morpher. Get ready for some super spy action. This amazing device lets you change your voice, just like a secret agent. It's incredibly simple to operate. Just plug it in and start morphing your voice. It offers a variety of voice options, so you can choose the perfect disguise for your mission. Experience crystal clear audio with this high-quality voice changer. Your voice will sound amazing. It's the perfect tool for your next adventure. Use it to create hilarious pranks or solve mysteries. Conveniently connect it to your computer by USB. It's easy to use and always ready when you are. What we like. Disguise your voice and fool your enemies. It's great for kids who love gadgets and want to add a layer of mystery to their games. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your spy ninja's role-playing, this is a must-have. What people say. She said, "I like it because I can change your voice. My daughter loved this as a birthday gift. She loves the spy ninjas and was stoked to see this when she opened her gifts. A lot of stuff for the price too." Number 3. Spy Ninjas Training Bundle. Get ready for adventure with this awesome bundle. It's packed with everything you need to become a master spy ninja. Check out this katana. It transforms and has a hidden spyglass for long-range observation and 2 detachable ninja star hilts for close combat. The spyglass is hidden in the katana's handle. Use it to plan your next move and surprise your opponents. This isn't your average ninja star. It lights up, makes sounds, and will stun your enemies. It has over 15 sounds and phrases. This kit comes with everything you need: a utility belt, decoder wheel, headband, certificate, ID card, decoder card, and 2 activity books. You'll be ready for any mission. With this complete set, you'll have everything you need to take on any challenge. Get ready to become the ultimate spy ninja. If you have any questions about the gadgets, contact Playmates Toys customer service. They're always ready to help. What we like. It includes a transforming katana with hidden features and the exciting sonic star. This is ideal if you are looking for a complete ninja experience with multiple gadgets and action-packed play. If you enjoy action-packed adventures and want a variety of tools for your missions, this bundle is perfect. What people say. He was so excited to open the box and see all the cool gadgets and gear inside. He immediately put on the ninja mask and gloves and started practicing his moves with the nunchucks and the spy pen. He also loved the access code to the Spy Ninjas app, where he could watch videos, play games, and learn more about being a spy ninja. One of the best gifts I could have gotten them. Number 2. Spy Ninjas Sonic Star. Get ready for action with the all-new Sonic Star. This amazing gadget lights up and makes sounds when it hits something, providing the perfect distraction. It's packed with over 15 Spy Ninjas sounds and phrases to keep you in the game. The lights and sounds will surely surprise your opponents. Just toss it into any room and let the lights and sounds create a diversion. It's the ultimate tool for any mission. Made with soft, safe foam, it's perfect for all your missions. It's fun and safe for everyone. The Spy Ninjas are always ready to assist. If you have any questions, contact Playmates Toys customer service for assistance. Don't miss out on the fun. Grab your Sonic Star and join the Spy Ninjas today. What we like. It lights up and makes sounds on impact, adding excitement to your missions. This is perfect for kids who love interactive toys and enjoy adding sound and light effects to their games. If you want a fun and safe way to add action to your Spy Ninjas games, this is a great choice. What people say. Rubber material on sides of disc, so it doesn't hurt quite as bad when your 4-year-old Spy Ninja hits you upside the head with it. Love the sound effects. My family has so much fun with this toy. If you're a Spy Ninjas fan, this is a great addition to their collection. Even the cat plays with it. I was surprised that this was made out of a very stiff foam. From everything I seen it looked to be solid plastic with a rubber bumper, but that was a nice surprise. I also like the included sound effects, but I have to turn those off after a while to stop annoying others. Number 1. Spy Ninjas Ultimate Communicator. Get ready for action with the Ultimate Spy Ninjas Mission Kit. It has everything you need for any adventure, including the covert communicators and so much more. These aren't just walkie-talkies, they're your link to success. Stay connected with your team during any mission, no matter what challenges you face. It's not just communication, it's a complete spy kit. They come with a compass, disc launcher, magnifying lens, LED light, and even a Spy Ninja's ID card. Use the built-in LED light for night missions or to send secret messages using Morse code to your teammates. It adds an extra layer of intrigue to your missions. With a range of up to 200 feet, you'll stay connected even when you're spread out across the mission area. Never lose contact with your team again. The set includes a utility belt with a decoder wheel and throwing stars, plus a headband. You'll be fully equipped for any covert operation. What we like. It allows for long-range communication and includes many additional features. This is perfect for kids who love teamwork and want to coordinate their missions effectively. If you are looking for a high-tech communication tool to enhance your Spy Ninjas adventures, this set is the ultimate choice. What people say. This is a great little set for your little Spy Ninja fans. My 8-year-old jumped for joy when he saw the gift. I did not expect the walkie-talkies to work, but to my surprise they did. The quality for the price was top-notch. They were clear and my child was thrilled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.